Okay, guys, I don't know how to pitch this one. Digwell leaves the Shire. Digwell's big adventure. Digwell goes to London. But whatever it was, as soon as I took the photograph of the car, 2 great big drops of rain come down. I thought, oh my word, what a day this is going to be. Luckily, only a minute walk to the station. And what a cold wait it was for the train. I only got there a quarter of an hour early. All the seasoned commuters turned up 90 seconds before the train. And I'm not saying it was early, but the dawn chorus hadn't even finished yet. God, I can't remember the last time I got up this early. And my dashing green carriage arrived, no changes all the way from Stroud to Paddington. And I was met on the train by my daughter, Bryony. She commutes to the old Big Smoke once a week on a Tuesday, and luckily I got a seat next to her. Well, luckily for me, not necessarily luckily for her. She put me right, took me on the Elizabeth line. Oh, what a lovely underground line that is. Took me on the Elizabeth line, but I was all on my own after that. I bumbled along, got on the Northern line, got off at Angel, and found this fantastic place to have, well, a traditional breakfast, Chapel Cafe. £6.35 for a small breakfast with a cup of coffee. Can't go far wrong with that. Fueled up, raring to go, and only a 5-minute walk to the Business Design Centre. So let's see what it's all about. Okay then guys, here we are, the Garden Press event 2024. There you go, the Melcourt Silvergrow. Not too far from me, just beyond Tatbury. Seen quite a few videos of these lately. And it's my old mucker lot. Here he is. Oh, Nigel, how you doing, buddy?
All the showers in all the road.
Right. You all right, fella?
How you doing?
Are you all right?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, I'm interested in your liquid Maximato.
All right,
Maximato. I used the powder one last year.
All right, Maximato Extra.
Yeah.
So we bought this out to sort of work in conjunction.
Do you mind if I
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
So we bought Maximato out to work in conjunction with Maximato Extra, which is more of a biostimulant than a feed.
Yeah.
Bacteria, seaweed, amino acids.
Yeah.
Maximato is an organic liquid feed. An NPK of 426.
Oh, how often would you feed with that one?
So we recommend once the plant starts flowering to feed weekly.
Right.
I think it's 20 ml and 5 litres of water every week. It's got added seaweed, added calcium and added magnesium to help with the stress of the plant growth and also to help reduce the risk of blossom end.
Yeah, well it's good you've got calcium and magnesium together because so often you see you've got to use Epsom salts and you use Epsom salts and it's not the answer.
Yeah.
That looks nothing like me. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Jealous. Brilliant. So, seaweed-based fertiliser?
Seaweed, yeah. I was a scallop diver for 12 years.
Oh, brilliant.
We were doing a really great business. We had it was a good time. But I used to finish my dives up in the shallows, up amongst the kelp, spin my bottle out there, and so I could always push up from the shallows. And with the business, it just got me thinking about kelp. I just love this stuff.
There's a market.
And I was using it on my garden the whole time, and I just thought we've got many lives to lead before we die. I want to do a seaweed-enriched range of garden products because I want that beautiful ivy
And you
richness.
see so many YouTubers who go to the seaside. They always go in with carry bags of whatever the seaweed is. What's the common one called?
I
can't remember now.
Laminaria, the standard laminated size. But we've got 1,000 tons of it at the moment, composting in a giant windrow in East Lothian, and we've got 177,000 metric tons of brown and green waste which we're mixing with it. And this is the result. It's 20% seaweed in there.
Oh yeah,
and it's kind of special. Doesn't even smell fishy.
No.
Do you mix any scallop shells in with it? And that
No,
sort
I'd
of thing?
like to, and we'd be up for that.
Yeah, because
But the
I've
problem is
seen.
it would come from the dredge bunch,
Ah, right. Oh, sorry. Mate.
and I've seen so much of that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Take all and leave nothing, and a lot of them. So.
And I've got nothing against the men who do it, because grub first, then ethics. Now, what we're going to also do, which I think is interesting, is we're going to send overnight to customers direct.
Yeah.
The box is going to be compostable. The label's going to be compostable. The
Yeah.
tape's going to be compostable. So is the bag.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
In
Yeah.
180 days,
Yeah.
it's going to clear. In
Brilliant.
seconds.
Brilliant.
Because I'm thinking your designs can be as pretty as they come,
Yeah.
but it's ugly as hell when it's stuck in
Yeah.
a river or a hedge.
That's right. Yeah.
You know, so
So you're going to get doing more videos then?
Going to try and get back into it more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're primarily flowers, aren't you? Really?
Primarily flowers with a bit of edibles.
Yeah.
So-
I'm the way around. I'm all vegetables and very few flowers, unless they're companions. You know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But it's that mix that's really nice.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
I'm more, what they call it, potager. I don't do any monoculture. It's all mixed, higgledy-piggledy. You know, I even still got onions growing in where my tomatoes were from last year.
Yeah.
So
That's
brilliant.
really nice. That's a really
Yeah.
nice way to do it.
Well, it's nice to meet you, buddy. I'll catch up with you
you
in a
too.
bit.
I'll
All right,
catch you
take
later.
care. Take care.
And it was great to see so many YouTubers there. There was Nigel, Nick, Richard, Bethan, Hugh, Liz and Lee, and no doubt many more. These guys impressed me, modded form. They're making transportation packaging for the industry, not for the likes of me and you, the individual user. These green packing trays that you see on the shelf there replace the black ones on the floor, and they're made from recycled drinks bottles. The ones you see floating down the rivers in Haiti, etc. Nice one, guys. We need more of this. Okay, apologies to the guys on the empathy stand and a few others afterwards. My camera started playing up. Great new products here. Compost improver and the grow bag improver. We all need that. And this one, the soil improver, exclusive to Homebase. That'll be interesting. And I've got Homebase 6 miles from me, so I'll be checking that one out. And this one from Eco-Effective looks really, really good. It's a peat-free additive, and I think we all know that we need additives to peat-free. And what's great about it is it doesn't leach easily, so it's great in hanging baskets. Fantastic. Well, had a quick bite to eat with Nick and Nigel, and popped up to the gallery for a look around, see what's going on. Saw a few reprobates in there. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Look, Richard, Bethan. Oh, crikey. You meet some funny people in these places, I'll tell you. Yeah, so obviously you have one of my suppliers of choice, you know what I mean? So,
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lovely carrot cake
Oh,
in
thanks.
there for you.
This one do look like I need carrot cake.
Yeah, but when it's good, you
Oh,
can't
I
resist,
know.
eh?
Well, that's what I do on my blog, my video channel.
Oh, yeah?
I do gardening and cooking. And I like to cook what I grow, but I can't
Yeah.
always do that. You know, this is interesting. Oh, I saw this on the advert. They look very good.
What would you like to know about it?
Well, just show me how they work, please, for the viewers. And
So, you want to do your seedlings. That's the only seed growing kit with easy extraction.
yeah,
So the way you set it up, you've got a comb. You put the comb in the
Either end, yeah.
partition in the comb, and you build your kit like this to create some.
Oh wow, yeah. That's clever.
Voilà.
And of course, you're free to use your own container, aren't you?
Exactly, it's compatible with
Yeah.
any kind of container. It can be a small one.
Yeah.
The advantage of having a small one, you can have that in your kitchen. It exists in 3 sizes, and once your plant have grown, as you can see, you've got
Dinky little one, yeah.
Three kits.
Yeah.
And once that the plant has grown, you leave the partition and you release the plant and you start again.
Brilliant. And you recommend put them on a mat?
You can put on a mat.
Yeah.
I've got accessories being made at the moment where with this tray you'll be able to have the heat and the lights.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this very, very cut down video. I had a big problem with my phone. Lost the phone a couple of weeks back. Got a new one on insurance, a refurbished one. And it turns out it didn't like recording videos very well. Some were totally missing, some started halfway through, and some chopped off before they finished. I'm absolutely gutted. I really am gutted. The phone's going back tomorrow. Don't worry about that. I've got 4 hours of audio footage, but no video to go with it. So anyway, Digwell makes the long trek home. It was a very, very enjoyable day. I met a lot of people. I made a few friends, I think. And I met a lot of YouTubers, that's for sure. And here I am back home. 12 hours, all but a minute from starting off. Look after yourself, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.